Did you know that you can store, access, and share your files safely in the cloud without using a USB flash drive? Let me show you how. OneDrive is a free tool available in the Office 365 ecosystem. It lets you store all kinds of files in one cohesive place. As a district employee of Washoe County School District, you are entitled to 1 terabyte of free space to store all the necessary things to allow your work to be more productive. Gone are the days of worrying about losing things if the hard drive crashes. Now you can upload documents, pictures, and any other kind of media in a safe and secure place, all in the cloud. To access OneDrive, you will need to first log in into your Office 365 account. This is automatically done for you if you already logged into Windows when booting up your computer within the district network. After you are logged in, type in the following address: portal.office.com. This will take you to a screen containing apps in the Office 365 suite. Click on OneDrive. In here, you will see all your files and folders contained in OneDrive. This is where I highly recommend to save all of your files to ensure they are safe and accessible from all devices, whether you are at work or at home. To upload your files, click on the Upload button. This will take you to a window where you can choose the file you want to upload to OneDrive. Select the file you want to upload and press OK. To upload multiple files, you can select more than one file by holding down the Control key on a Windows PC or Command key on a Mac. I'll offer more about these helpful techniques in a future teeny tiny PD tutorial. To share files, navigate to the file you want to share. Click on the button that has a box with an arrow. This will open a small window that gives you options of how you want to share the file. You have the option to give people you invite editing rights by checking the box next to Allow Editing. Look at the list closely, and you can see there are 4 options to choose from. Anyone allows you to give access to a file even if they aren't logged into Office 365 or OneDrive. People in Washoe County School District only allows accessibility with people who have WCSD Office 365 accounts. People with existing access returns a link that can be used by people who already have access to the document or folder. And the last choice is specific people, which creates a link that only people you specify can use to access the folder or document. If you uncheck the box next to Allow Editing, the document will be read-only, and the only way they can save the document is if they make a copy of it. The Share option sends an email to the recipient so that they can view or edit your document depending on the rights you give them. Another way to share files is by copying a link. This copies the link to the clipboard where you can paste it into any application. Keep in mind that the link is a long string of characters, so it is proper etiquette to rename the lengthy link into something recognizable to the person receiving the link. To do this, right-click on the link and choose Edit Hyperlink, or something similar to that command depending on the application. Then, rename it to reflect the main topic or title of the document. This will make it easier for the person on the receiving end to recognize where the link will take them. Even though you are copying a link, you still need to choose the intended audience and whether you give them editing or read-only rights. Also, keep in mind, next to each file or folder, there are 3 dots. This gives you more options what you want to do with your file, including renaming or deleting your file, along with many other things that you can explore. The last thing I want to show you is how you can upload all your files automatically to OneDrive by saving, dragging, and dropping files to your OneDrive folder located in the File Explorer. This syncing application should already be installed on your district computer. If you're using a Mac, you can download the application from the App Store, which functions the same way. Once you place a file or create folder, it automatically syncs to OneDrive in the cloud. This is a great way to store files without having to use a web browser. This is a quick overview for OneDrive, and there is so much more I would love to show you. But at least you know how to store, retrieve, and share files. The best thing about OneDrive is it can be used on any device, from desktop computers to smartphones. That's all the time we have for now learning about OneDrive. This is Mark Scoff from 21st Century Learning. Thank you for spending this teeny tiny moment with me.